when compared to all other programs. Simplilearn's the curriculum, right, is much more in-depth and easy to understand. And I looked at the profiles of the trainers, the university professors, and there were other trainers. They have so much experience and they're always reachable. That's what even now, yesterday, right, I was texting my trainer about some clarification, some information I needed. It was immediately shared the information. Hi, this is Ravindra Gowrigari. I live in Apex, North Carolina, and this is my journey. I have done masters in statistics and I have got a couple of decades experience in doing a lot of data analysis, statistics. Right now I'm working in a bank, a Swiss bank, working as a data scientist. I do not want to fade out with the technology. As a reason, although I have 2 decades of experience, I would have learned certain things by myself, but the instructional-led learning makes a lot of difference. When I was researching about what are the universities that are offering generative AI architectural courses, right? Towards the end, I came to Simplilearn and I spoke to one of your enrolling manager. I don't know how do you say it, right? And he gave me access to the information, certain information. Then I realized when compared to all other programs, this is my honest feedback, not for the department. When compared to all other programs, Simplilearn's the curriculum, right, is much more in-depth and easy to understand, and it has got a tie-up with one of the finest good universities in the US. Purdue is one of the best universities in the US, right? And I looked at the profiles of the trainers, the university professors, and there were other trainers. They have so much experience, and Simplilearn is the place where I can sharpen my skills and it helps. And they are always reachable. The learning experience, the platform is very user-friendly. And throughout the journey of 100+ hours you put in, and every hour you exactly know what you learn. The way it was explained is it's easy to understand, and anybody with a very little or a less knowledge even also can able to understand. And the way they discovered or they explained the components of the entire GenAI is so simple, easy to understand and easy to follow. And it's also not a one-way learning where you have a Q&A towards the end of the session. It was more interactive platform. As a professionals, we used to ask different questions, and when we got an answer, we got responses, we got information, we got references for all those questions that has been asked outside the platform, outside the curriculum. That makes it different, right? Before starting the Simplilearn program, I started to do development conversational agent, and I just started, and then I started the course. Then I paused my actual project. The reason is, let me completely understand the component and build a better product. I have done it, and it's there in my GitHub. I built a couple of agents right after the course. The second, in my work side, right, in the bank. So it's a bank, so there's a lot of data, right? Every bank has a data. How we make better sense of the data implementing this AI technologies. This is gonna help me. It is already helping me actually, to put it this way, to build some agentic frameworks in the bank that will help the professionals, the management, to take a better decisions. And with this knowledge, we just gained it fresh in mind, and I'm able to collect and connect what I'm doing with what I have learned. So I have 2 kids. One is they're both in the middle school and elementary school. So I spend time with them, and it's a winter time, so we do a lot of indoor games. I go to fitness center and I play indoor games all the time. Maybe badminton, volleyball, and I spend a lot of my time with my friends. And I go volunteering with my daughter in various community events. So my daughter is teaching me piano classes. I'm learning piano. If you're not in the change, you will fail out. And change comes with a lot of resistance. So try to break that resistance and learn. It will help you as a person to gain more knowledge